Okay, let's watch the video together.
Do not start affiliate marketing until you learn these 3 things. Number 1, affiliate marketing is not easy.
Yes, affiliate marketing is not as easy as becoming a doctor. You can be a doctor in just 2 days, right? You get admission today and the next day you're a doctor. You can also be a lawyer too in 2 days, right? Nothing is easy, don't deceive yourself. So why do you expect affiliate marketing to be easy?
Yes, it may be simpler than other business models because you don't have to create, sell, or deliver the product.
Okay, so it's simpler than other business model. Okay, I could remember why it's simpler. Let me show you. So I made 10,000 from this pencil art, but I'm not even an artist. How did I do it? Affiliate marketing. One guy wanted to surprise his girlfriend, so he asked his friend, and then his friend now suggested that he should just give her a sketch of her. So the friend reached out to me. Why? Because I've ever posted this my artist work on my status. So she told me, please can you talk to that your artist friend that you posted his work one time on your status that I need a project. So that is how I met my artist friend, and then my artist friend said his work was 30,000. So I bargained with my artist friend and I told him that I'm going to bring more project for you, but if you're going to give me a commission from this, I said out of that 30,000, I'm going to take 10,000 if you want me to bring you more projects. So finally he did everything, delivered the project to me, and then I sent it to her, and then she sent 30,000, took my 10,000, and then he got his 20,000. So that is how simple affiliate marketing is. How do you start? Okay, this is how you start. So when you invest in the program, we are going to add you to the group where you're going to get access to resources to become an affiliate marketer. So you're literally going to just check things, post, and you're going to learn about marketing and sales and make money from affiliate marketing. This is one of my first students, and he's already started making his first sale just joining in 2 weeks. Talk to the person that sent you this video or click the link around this video, invest and join the G4G program.